Alright, welcome back to the channel. On this video, we'll be restoring some headlights on this Audi A6. We'll be using Majestic Solutions Headlight Clear Coat with UV protection and its self-leveling formula. So stay tuned, let's get it. Alright, I'm using my Flex XFE 7-12 to get the job done, so stay tuned, let's get it. I'm starting off with 800 grit sandpaper teamed up with a interface backing plate. And of course, I'm utilizing hyperlapse along with a little bit of editing to keep the video as short as possible. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Now we're moving on from 800 grit sandpaper to 1500 grit sandpaper, so stay tuned, let's get it. Alright, now we're on the back stretch. We're going to use 3000 grit sandpaper, so stay tuned, let's get it. And of course, there's a process to reach permanent results. Alright, now that we're done sanding, let's go ahead and mask off the area. Alright, let's check out this description. This aerosol headlight lens clear coat is professional grade and designed to restore exterior surfaces to original clear gloss finish. This high solids UV blocking formula provides the installer with paint shop quality results and durability. This lens clear coat lasts for years, not months. Alright, this is our first layer of clear coat, so stay tuned. Drying time is required in between layers. Let's get it. And as you can see, after the first layer is applied, it is a little foggy and hazy, but stay tuned and you'll see it clear up as it dries. As you can see, we're applying our second layer. We're about to let it dry, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the end results. Alright, I'm waiting on this passenger side light to go ahead and dry. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.